Hey there, designers. Tinkercad keeps making things new and making improvements. And specifically, I want to share with you what they've done with the Learn tab since I last posted some things on how to use Tinkercad as an introductory CAD design program. If you click on the Learn tab now, you'll notice that it looks different. They have starters, they have lessons, and they have projects. Under starters, they've now broken down the introductory moves for a beginning designer into new segments. Things like place it, view it, move it, and rotate it are all basic beginning skills for any beginning designer. I highly recommend that you work through these different tutorials. There are all kinds of other direct starters that the folks at Autodesk Tinkercad have come up with, including those ones and more. And I'm going to scroll down here, size it, grouping, aligning, all very important skills. And then going back to the Learning tab, once you've got those things mastered, you can continue your work with more specific lessons to help you develop your skills. They're all guided lessons. Some of them look really interesting, like how to make glasses or chess pieces or rulers. Cufflinks, luggage tags, making a dice from scratch. Working through these different lessons will help you develop your beginning skills as a drafter and designer. I'm going to keep scrolling down to some of my favorites here. Learning the moves, camera controls, creating holes, and scale, copy, and paste are specific skills that I want all of my designers to master, and those tutorials I want you to complete and provide evidence of. So if you are one of my students who are watching this video, please make sure you click on the Learn tab. You go to the Projects section. It's going to show up right here in the middle. The Lessons section. It's going to show up right there in the middle. And you scroll down to find the 4 lessons that you need to master and demonstrate evidence of mastery with. And those are learning the moves, camera controls, creating holes, and scale, copy, and paste. Once you pick any one of those, you go through and work through the skills and processes that are involved in performing said task. Provide evidence of your mastery of that task by taking a screenshot of the entire page and inserting that into your evidence document. I hope that helps, designers, and as always, happy designing.